Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Thinkvision model and that the monitor is at native resolution. This ensures OSD options match the instructions. Press the monitor's dedicated OSD/menu button now to bring up controls. Once the OSD appears, navigate to Picture or Brightness/Contrast using the physical joystick or buttons. You do this because on-screen controls override many software adjustments. Starting here prevents conflicts. Make sure you can see numeric brightness scale. Now adjust the brightness entry inside the OSD. Select it and move the joystick or press left/right to change the value. You should change by small increments, 1 to 5%, so your eyes can adapt and you can judge impact on highlights and shadow detail. Turn off dynamic contrast or eco modes first because they auto-adjust and mask the true brightness. Once done, use a white and gray image to preview. This helps you balance perceptual brightness versus washed highlights. Finish by confirming the chosen brightness and exiting the OSD. If your Thinkvision supports presets, save one for daytime use. Once complete, make sure your operating system and GPU control panel are not limiting output. Set brightness and color profile to defaults to verify. If the monitor remains dim, swap the video cable or try a different input source. Cable issues or edit mismatches can restrict brightness. If the OSD is unresponsive, perform a factory reset from the menu to restore correct control behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.